Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name Adil Ahmeri, and today I will presentation about fetal Doppler ultrasound.
What is
What is fetal Doppler ultrasound?
what is a fetal? A fetal Doppler is an ultrasound scan that helps assess the baby blood flow through the umbilical cord to various parts of the. This scan also helps determine
Probably through the fizzles and studies if sufficient oxygen and nutrients the child needs are supplied via the placenta. The idea from scan to see that children inside there by using a Doppler scan. And this is a picture like we see here.
the their umbilical cord for the
Doppler, Doppler scan is preferred usually during the third trimester. In some cases, like high risk pregnancies, more than one Doppler scan will be asked by doctor. Maybe in the 6 months, maybe in the 7 months, or 8 months. Are Doppler scans safe? As with all ultrasound scan, Doppler scan are safe when perfectly specialist. It's safe, but scans for moms for the mom
who uh,
moms sometimes it's dangerous for the child or the fetal required
first there is
required for the Doppler scan. Fair vision of versions
its location.
gestational age of
Fetus. Confirm, confirm the number of fetals. Fetal growth assignments. Estimation of the balance and amount float levels. Identify birth defects. Complication investigation. Determine the position of the fetus before birth. And that sometimes is very important because we need
Doppler scan during pregnancy phase. There are two main types of fetal ultrasound scans. First thing is transvaginal ultrasound, and that used by and that we need it if this important for mother. And the second one is ultrasound of the abdominal walls, and this is the used more than transvaginal ultrasound. What is the difference between a normal ultrasound and a Doppler ultrasound? A normal ultrasound will not show the rate of blood flow, but a Doppler scan will show the rate of the blood flow and blood pressure in the placenta, umbilical cord, brain, and heart of the baby. Because the Doppler ultrasound is more improvement for normal. Its technology it's higher than normal
normal
normal ultrasound shows only the image of the baby, but Doppler can help hear the heartbeat and the amount of the oxygen and nature the baby gets by extending the blood flow rate. And that's the end, and thank you for listening.